Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 6th, 2021. Bitcoin. We want to give you all the updated price prediction into the market in Bitcoin. We want to know if a bullish pattern is forming in Bitcoin because you guys know a lot of hype is going on about Bitcoin hitting $100,000 by the end of this year. We got the Taproot update coming out for this particular cryptocurrency, which is many people anticipate that it's going to spur a massive jump in Bitcoin's price. Well, we could kind of gauge what people are really thinking based on what they do with their money. So looking at the price chart, we could get a consensus as to what the majority of people are doing. Are they buying or are they selling this cryptocurrency? So welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is the spot. I'm telling you now that you're going to get the realistic price prediction as to where price is going to go. We want to show everyone on this channel that you can even predict where market's going to go without the confusion. So if you guys want to keep it here, keep it locked in right here. Hit the like button. Instead of being also subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss it. We're going to give you price prediction without the confusion. You guys can see already on our chart that we did a price prediction in Bitcoin on October the 27th. We've been playing the weakness into the market in Bitcoin. While everyone else out there is telling you that Bitcoin is going to hit $100,000, we're probably one of the only ones with a prediction looking for the price to go down. I wonder why. Because we only focus in on the price. We don't care about anything else outside of price. Price is the only thing that can move price, nothing else. So as we talk about this particular cryptocurrency, I want you all to see this. We're not going to change this price prediction until we see the market break above what? We already got our horizontal line right here to dictate to us that this is restriction around $64,000, $65,000. And so far, the market in Bitcoin is still showing us that that's the issue. That's the problem. Now, we really want to see, can the market in Bitcoin break it though? Because if so, we need to drop this prediction right now and then play the buy side of the market expecting Bitcoin to go up. We need to do that. So let's try to figure this out real quick. All right. So looking at Bitcoin on a 3-day time frame, let's check this out. So right now, you guys can see this, that the market in Bitcoin is pretty much grabbing a very tight trading range, $65,000 as restriction all the way back down to $58,000. Cool. Now, so far, the current trend in Bitcoin, it is weakness, right? But it doesn't show forth that it is extremely weak. No, we're not seeing that yet. This is Bitcoin on the 5-day. I don't like the 5-day time frame. Now, let me show you why. Because as we've been trading here into the market in Bitcoin around $65,000, we haven't received that much strength coming into the market. The only bar that we have that is showing us that the market was giving us strength was right there, October the 28th, 2021. That's the only 5-day price bar we have that is giving us strength as we've been trading up here around $65,000. Now, what in the world? If we're still seeing the weakness here into the market in Bitcoin, the expectation would be for the price to drop. Like, you need to look forward to the price in Bitcoin going down. Now, that might be a fake out though, because the last time we came up here to $65,000, we immediately dropped in Bitcoin's price, right? Did we not? Yeah, we did. But look at it this time. We're kind of hugging that $65,000 price. It lets us know that this market is really harnessing on not letting Bitcoin's price fall. This is what we're getting this go around. So the picture has totally changed from us back here in April to now. In April, we immediately fell, meaning that there wasn't no buyers coming into the market in Bitcoin. This time, we're kind of hugging that $65,000 price. That's big difference, because as long as that's the case, the prospect of Bitcoin breaking out of $65,000 to the upside is even greater. In fact, this is what we want to see the market in Bitcoin doing before we see the market break out of $65,000. Now, I'm still seeing a weakness though, so I'm not convinced that the market in Bitcoin is ready to break $65,000 to the upside. Not right now. It could happen in the next 2 days, next 3 days. The market will finally show us that the breakout of above $65,000 is about to happen. But as of this recording, I don't see that yet. So until we see the market ready to break out, we have to continually play what is on our chart. And right now, it's weakness. Now, I'm not really seeing that much weakness on a chart though. So let's keep it in perspective. I'm not telling you that the price in Bitcoin is going to completely crash. No, but it's weak. Like, I have to show you the expectations as to where we're looking for the market to go. All right. So now let's see this. If we can try to gauge how low price can go in Bitcoin. I still see $56,000 as a very viable area for the price to be propped up. I mean, take a look at it. We've already seen the price in Bitcoin on this 3-day price bar hug that $56,000 price. We've already seen it. So that kind of tells us even there that we can see the market hold support once again on this next leg down. The second area is here. 54,000, like $54,600. That's the second area that we can see the market prop up price. So we got 56,000, 54,600, and then 52. Okay. Now, if we get a whole lot of weakness, negativity coming to the market for the cryptocurrency space, yeah, we can see it come down to 48. Sure can. Now, not really saying that that's going to happen. I see 56,000, 54,600. All right. 52,000, that's the third level. And then down to 48. So I'm going to bring this up to 52 for Bitcoin. I'm not going to try to tack the market down to 48, not yet. Now, if we break 56 on massive weakness, then yeah, 48,000 is going to come into fruition, right? We're going to expect that to happen. Now, this is it. I'm still playing the weakness into the market in Bitcoin until we see this price break, you know, 54,000, 55, $65,000, excuse me, to the upside. Now, it might happen relatively soon. I mean, check this out. Let's look at this on the hourly time frame, because you guys can tell that the market is not extremely weak in Bitcoin. Real quick, 11-hour chart. Do you see any strength here? I don't see any strength right now in Bitcoin. So yeah, we're going to continue to play the weakness. Definitely though, right? Keep your eyes open on that $56,000 price, because it looks as if the market's going to want to hold that area as support. Just saying. So we're not going to change it. We're going to keep our price prediction the same that what we did on October the 27th. Still seeing the weakness here in Bitcoin, albeit not extremely weak. Check this out. I just saw this too. Look at this. Right there. Do you see? I would say from starting October the 18th to today's day, this price has been holding $60,100. Wow. We break that, it's going to be a big move to the downside. I'm just telling you right now, because the market for some reason wants to hold price above 60,100. I'm just saying. And we're not getting any strength over the last couple of days in trading in Bitcoin. We're still seeing a weakness. Now, someone is here trying to keep the price propped up though. I could give them that, but they're not really being successful. We break 60,100. Be prepared. That's all I'm going to say. All right. So that is it. Let me go ahead and get rid of that line. We're going to continue to go forth with our weakness, not a collapse, not a plummet, but looking for the price to go down. Right. So give me your price prediction into the market in Bitcoin. Let me know. Do you guys see any bullish patterns going on in Bitcoin? If so, are you playing the strength into the market, or are you looking for the market to go down? Let me know, because I really don't see a bullish indicator, bullish pattern on a chart in Bitcoin over the last couple of weeks. I don't. Now you may see it. Let me know if you do though. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.